How to make a membership website using WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own membership website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I'm pretty sure you already know how to create a website, but you want to add a membership feature within your website. So you've come to the right place, and in this video I'm going to show you how you do it. So first things first, you're going to log into your WordPress website like I have right here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to come into the plugin section right here and click on install new plugin or add new plugin right here. So now that you're here, what you're going to do is you can see all of your plugins right here, right? What you're going to do is you're going to come over here onto the search section right here and search for a plugin called membership. Now, once you search for membership, you're going to see you have a plugin called Ultimate Members, User Profiles, User Registration, Login, and Membership plugin, right? You can install simple membership as well, paid membership, or other plugins right here. But I found in my use case that the Ultimate Member plugin is the best one. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on install now. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to be installed. Boom, there you go. It's installed. Now we're going to go ahead and activate it. Now, once it's activated, you're going to see it right here. It's activated. We have some pre-installed, plugins right here. We can go ahead and delete them or activate them. It depends on you, but for now, we're going to leave it at that. Now we have our plugin installed. We are going to click on the settings option underneath the plugin, and it's going to take us over here into the general page, and over here you will have your main option. So you can add it to your user page, login page, registration page, whatever it is, you can add it over here. You have your access right here, and you can set accessible to everyone or site accessible to login user. You're going to switch over here so that only people that are logged in can access the site. All right. And you can even add custom URL if you want to, but it depends on you. You have, restricted access. Post title is going to be restricted content. So that's how it is. You can even add a restricted access message right here, and pretty simple. Yeah. Then you have to click on save changes to save, the changes that you've made. And then you can move on to the email section. And over here, you can add your email. You have welcome email is set to yes. So any members that log in or register onto your website, they're going to be sent in welcome email. Account activation email, you can choose to whether or not have an activation email or not. Account is pending a review, approved email, rejected email, and all of the others, right? So moving on, we are going to go over to the appearance section right here. Here, we're going to actually go ahead and, customize the appearance of our login page. So we have our default template set. We have our profile maximum width, the profile area maximum width. We have our profile field icon, show with label, show inside text. We can turn it off if we want to, and all the other customization options as well. We can save all the changes that we made, even though we haven't, but just in case. And then we have our miscellaneous options right here, misc options, whatever. And then you have your install info as well. So you have the download install info button right here. Now let's go ahead and start creating pages, right? So to create a page, you just simply click on create pages button right here. And over here, you have your user page. Of course, you're going to set it to user. You have your login page set to login, register page to register, member page to member page, logout to logout, account page to account, and password reset page to password reset. We're going to click on save changes. We're going to click on users right next to pages. And over here are going to be permalinks. So you can set your permalinks to either user ID or username, first name, last name with the exclamation or commas, whatever. You can set the user display name to default WordPress display name or nickname, username, first name, last name, or custom fields if you want to. But I feel like username should be much better. Now, you can use gravators. So if you don't know what gravators are, you can use it instead of the default plugin profile photo. So if you want to, but I recommend, but for me personally, I'm not going to use that. require a strong password. Yes, you will have to require a strong password with a minimum length of 8, yes, with the maximum length of 30, and avoid index profile by search engine. This means that it will hide the profile page for robots. The setting can be overridden by individual robot settings. I'm going to leave it at that. And the activation link is going to be lifetime. It's going to be set to 1 or 0. It depends on you. But yeah, we're going to save the changes that we made. Next, we're going to go into the account settings right here. And of course, everything is set to already, but we want to select password is required. There we go. And hide profiles from directory by default. Sure, we'll do that. Account deletion without password context. Are you sure you want to delete this password? Are you sure you want to delete your account? Yeah, everything looks good. We're going to save changes. Then we're going to go into the upload settings, and over here you have your upload settings as well. So of course, save all of these changes according to you, and then just simply click on save. Next, what we're going to do is, once we have set up all of our settings, we're going to click on the form section underneath the Ultimate Members plugin. Now over here we have pre-made forms. So we have default login, default profile, and default registration. So if you want to edit them or create a new one, you can just simply click on add new to add a new form. Or if you want to edit a form, just simply click on the edit button underneath default registration. And over here, this is how it's going to look like. So you have your 5 options right here. You have your username, your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. So you can select these, or you can even add a new field right here, and you can choose a new field from these options. So you want a URL or a password. We already have a password. We have a date picker, Google Map, divider, spacer, or we want a predefined field, which will be username or email. This is more likely for, you know, if you're logging into it. But yeah, generally this is how it is. You can pick one and you can save it. And you also have these different options as well, where you can add different images as well. So over here, as you can see, this is how it would look like. But I feel like if you want to add an image, we can click over here. We can add a custom field, but you did not create a custom field, so we will have to create them, and I will show you how you can do it as well. But you know, I think we'll keep it like this, standard form, nothing too crazy. This is going to be it. If you want to edit or remove some of these fields, you can go ahead and do that by just simply clicking on the trash can icon to remove it, and adding it is going to be the plus icon. So this is going to be the registration form. The profile form, however, if you click on it, for profile form, you're going to have to exit it out. You're going to have to update the form that you just created right here, and you're going to go back to forms, and you're going to click on default login form right here, and this is going to be the default login form. You know, as you can see, it was selected automatically right here, and over here you can go ahead and select it. So for the login form, it only asks you for your email or username and password. You can go ahead and change it if you want, but I think it looks okay. Actually, instead of username or email, I just add username, yeah, and we'll move this at the top right here, and we'll remove this one. There you go. I think that looks much better. Username and password, that is much better for the login, and then you can update it. Now, of course, this is also a free to use extension. This is a free to use plugin, so don't worry about that. And now we're going to go back to forms and take a look at the profile, which is right here. We're going to edit it. So for the profile form, it's completely empty. So let's go add it. So for the profile, I would like to add a username, right? We would like to add the first name, the last name as well. We'd like to add a email address, a phone number. We'll add a phone number or mobile number. It depends on you. Let's go with mobile number. And we'd also like the password. And over here, we can add the title of the, the field. So the title will be password. The label will be password. Meta key will also be password, and placeholder. This is the text that appears within the field, e.g. please enter in your email address or stuff. So we'll just say, please enter in the password. Now, help text, you can add a text. This text will appear in the tooltip when a user hovers over the icon. but if you don't want to add it, you can. So maximum length should be 8. Maximum, why do I have 2? Oh, it's minimum. So minimum has to be 8 and maximum can be 30. Yeah. Strong passwords. Yep. Automatically add a confirm password field. Yep. We're going to add that. And we're going to say, please confirm your password. Video for everyone. Yeah, we for everyone. And we can choose an icon as well. So we click on choose icon. And over here, password. That's for navigation. For password, I'll just go with these warning sign and click on finish. And we'll just simply click on add. And there we go. A password. Pretty simple. That's how you can add custom fields as well. So if you didn't know, but yeah, then we'll just simply save it. Yeah, we'll update the field and boom, we are good to go. After that, what you can do is you can click on the extensions button right here. This is for the extensions actually. You don't need to be here. I'm sorry about that. Then you can go into dashboard to see all of your options. So you can drag boxes over here. You can see your users, your approved users, your rejected, the pending, awaiting, and inactive users as well. And next, if you wanted to see if you've actually added it into your WordPress website, you just come into the pages section right here and you will see you have already some pages with the letter, which means ultimate member. So you don't have to worry about that. You can go ahead and edit it out, see how it feels, delete the ones you want to, or keep the ones you want to keep. It all depends on you. So that's how you do it. That's how you can add a membership page to your website. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.